So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a route in Strava. So first of all, download the app. After that, open up the app and you will just need to log in. And after that, you can see at the bottom, home, maps, record, groups, and you. Now, in order to get to routes, you will need to open up maps. Once you've opened up your maps, you will see here some yellow lines, and these are the routes which are created. You can see here some routes which are created in the vicinity of your current location, and you can start with those. So you can try and do those routes. You will get a sort of navigation while you're doing your activity. Like I just made and added filters for biking or riding a bike. You can add for running, and you can see here 21 routes which people tend to use in that location. So they make it really simple for you. If you wish to create your own, you will need to go to the dashboard. So once you save an activity, you will see here to upload route files. You can see the options on the web version by going to the dashboard, going to my routes and create a new route. So you can see here it says Strava routes and you can build your own route. So if you fulfill something by running and you discovered maybe something that people in the community haven't yet discovered, you can upload your own route so people can learn about it, and then you can maybe even do the activity together. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Strava or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.